divina. Tuga vengo no mo yo man. Tuga si a fo bo yangele pa bo tang. Ambo te chachu ho.
Sale, sugar mom, sugar daddy, lolly poppy lolly.
Enemy see them no be God, oh. Them want see my downfall, oh. But the boy them know the flop, oh. Me across my hands I chalk, oh. Zanku, 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 zanku.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Danica here. Okay. Oh my goodness, I miss you, y'all. I miss you. Okay. Welcome back to Divani here. If you are a new subscriber, don't forget to click that red button down below. Okay, click that red button so you will be notified when I upload new video. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Girl, yo, I come in with this wig. Yeah, it's a wig. This wig is bomb, yo. It's extra. It's gorgeous, like synthetic wear. Synthetic wear. Huh, huh. This is the Swiss lace dolly in the color number 2. You have many colors. Yeah, this have many colors. You have many colors. There are many colors that ones. And on the back of the car, you have the instruction how to wash it and all that. Okay, this lace is very soft. It have a very soft lace. If I say that it's soft, it's soft. Okay, and you can see it's matching my skin tone. Like I don't have to put no concealer. I don't even plug it. I don't do nothing at all. Only I put a little bit of a spread, and that is all. And the hair is not full, but it's perfect. Why is perfect? Because it's synthetic hair. If it's full, it's going to be tangled, and I like it like this. But if it's curly, I wouldn't like to be full. But that is it. It's a straight hair. I love it like this. So I love it like this because it's not going to tangle. I can throw my finger to this wig. Trust me. I can trust. I can throw my finger to this wig. Did you see that part? Did you see that part? Like I only put, you can see a little bit of got to be. I not do the baby hair ish. You can do it. It's your choice, but I don't. I don't want to do it. But you can do it, okay? And it's heat friendly. This wig is heat friendly, girls. Heat friendly. And it's like 22 inches. 22, it's 20 inches, like 20 inches, 21 inches. And it have like shape. They give the wig shape. This wig is bomb, yo. It's bomb, okay? And I love it. Okay, I love it. Yo, go to elevate style, elevatestyle.com. I'm going to leave the links down below for this week and for the website too down below. Okay, and it's shed but not that too much. It's normal. It's synthetic wig. It's going to shed. What do you expect? But this wig is bomb. Go and order yours. I'm going to leave the link down below directly of the color and the website. And the thing I love about this wig is that it don't have shine. That shine, I was expected to be shine like hell because the name is Dolly, but this wig is not. It don't have that shine. It look like bundles. Okay, the contact lenses and lashes there for colorcl.com. This code JK10. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, yo. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget, okay? Also, they sent me a wicked stand, and it's super cute. It's super cute. I love it because you can put it the back of your door or wherever, and I'm going to use it. Obviously, I'm going to use it. And it's very good. I like it, but I don't know where. There are two circle things. I don't know where to put it, but I like this wig stand. So thank you so much, Elevestar. Don't forget, go to elevestar.com. Okay, so you can purchase all this. Okay, okay. Do you see it? I put my wig on. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.
thinking about you and me. I was waiting, you come back to me.